Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your social media experience smoother. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to change your TikTok email address in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons, switching accounts, or just cleaning up your info, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your TikTok account on the app or website. It's always easier on the mobile app, so grab your phone if you haven't already. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the Me icon at the bottom right corner. That's your personal hub for all settings. Next, tap on the three dots or the Settings and Privacy option. It's usually in the top right. Scroll down until you find Account, and give that a tap. Now, look for Email or Manage Email Address. If you don't see it right away, double-check under Security or Personal Information. TikTok might tweak their interface slightly, but it should be there. When you find it, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Type it in carefully, then hit Save or Update. Don't forget, TikTok will send a verification code to your new email, so keep an eye on your inbox or spam folder to confirm the change. Once you enter that code, your email will be updated. A quick heads up: if you're having trouble, ensure your account is in good standing and that you're using a valid email. Also, remember that changing your email might affect two-factor authentication, so set that up again if needed. And there you have it. That's all it takes in 2025. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected and keep creating. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.